So let's try to do this one more time. If I say authorize an org, so this one is going to open up another browser session for me, and I have to log in over there. Okay. So if you see, it'll open up another browser. You need to log in from there. Once you log in, now we come back over here. It says your authorize an org successfully ran. What it means is now Visual Studio is connected to your Salesforce org, and you can start syncing the data and do development. So if you want to see, like, suppose you have some classes or something created. Right now, if you see, I don't have any classes created. But if I go ahead, now let's try to fetch the data from the server. So how do I do that? So make sure that your authorizer are ran correctly, and then let us fetch the data. To fetch the data, you got to go to this folder manifest, and this package.xml is where you define what are the metadata that you want to bring from the server. Okay. So right now I have selected Apex class, Apex component. So whatever you need to sync, you got to add it over here. So again, you have a page reference, you have a reference guide for that. It's called package.xml reference. So right now, let me do one thing. Let me retrieve whatever I have from the server. So if you go over here, you see the classes are currently empty, right? So if this runs fine, it is retrieving the metadata from the server and storing it in our or storing it in a local folder. It's going to take some time.